You searched how to buy shares of Biovie Inc., so in this short guide, I will explain the process step by step. Biovie Inc. is a healthcare and biotechnology company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker BIVI. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy BIVI, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you typically must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker BIVI. Select the listing that shows Biovie Inc. on NASDAQ to open the asset page and avoid similar names. On the asset page, check the basic company profile, trading details, and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker BIV so you have the correct stock. Click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose market or limit options. Then review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes. After execution, your Biovie position will appear in your portfolio as a holding. For the example shown, find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.